the first thing we are writing over here is that normally when we talk about the circuits, there are two types of circuits. When we talk about circuits, one is called series and one is called parallel. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the current in a series and parallel circuit. What we will do, what do we think about the current? The first very important note is there that current remains fixed in series circuit. I will explain you the application of this. Current remains fixed in series circuit. Current is splitted in parallel circuit. Am I clear?
Yes.
Now, the second thing is potential difference, PD, right? PD remains fixed in parallel circuit. And PD is divided or splitted in series circuits. Am I clear?
Yes.
How? Let's see this. This is one of a circuit in which this is the battery, right? And we know this is the positive terminal of the battery, this is the negative terminal of the battery. And we are using, let us assume, two bulbs. One is here and one is here. Am I clear?
Yes.
If I say this battery is of, let us assume, 6 volts, and these two bulbs we are using, they are identical. So these two bulbs are identical, right? So when the current passes through this, whatever its value will be there, it remains the same throughout. I, and I. Maybe it's 1.5, 0.5, whatever the value is there. But when we talk about the PD, when we talk about the PD across this bulb, and across this bulb, these are two identical ones, right? Identical,
Yes.
they will be getting an equal amount of voltage, right? If one
Yes.
bulb is going to be bigger, that may be getting a larger amount of value, right? This is the
Yes.
voltmeter, this is another voltmeter, right?
Yes.
This is V1, this is V2. Since both of the bulbs are identical, so they will be getting 3 volt and 3 volt each, because the total voltage of the battery is 6 volt. If it would be 3 volt, this will be getting 1.5, this will be getting 1.5. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, a very important thing over here, that advantage of using a parallel circuit. This is, remember, this is series circuit, right? So let me show you first the parallel circuit is how does it look like. There is one disadvantage over here. That is, if this bulb goes off the path will be broken and this bulb will not work, right or not?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a disadvantage that if one bulb goes off or fused, the other will not work because path is single. Am I clear?
Yes.
Is that so? But in parallel circuits, this does not happen. So keep in mind, this is a disadvantage of using a series circuit. This does not happen.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Now you can parallel circuits. Now we are going to connect two bulbs in parallel here. You will see the difference automatically. Okay. And you see here, I have made two parallel branches over here. And in this place, I'm going to fix a battery. This is a bigger battery I'm using, right? And on this place, I'm going to put two bulbs. One is this, one is this, right? And these bulbs, as we know that we have to make it symbol complete. Now, can you see here that when we deal with this, when this is positive, this is negative, when the current starts to move, still it is moving here. This is I, this is I. But the problem is now here, it will be split into two positions, I1 and I2, where we write in the previous board that the current will be split in the parallel circuit because two different paths are there. So some current will go over there, some current will come over here. If these bulbs are identical, they will be they will be sharing equal amount of current. But when it comes back over here, this is again equals to I. Am I clear?
Yes.
Then they combine. So we can write over here that I is equals to I1 plus I2. Am I clear?
Yes.
Whereas both of these will be sharing an equal amount of voltage. For example, if this is 6-volt battery, this will be having 6 volt, this will be having 6 volts as well. Am I clear?
Yes.
What if this path is broken? Nothing is going to happen to this bulb. This will keep working because the path is complete, right or not?
Yes.
So these are the advantage of using a parallel circuit. The first advantage is every component gets maximum voltage. Every component gets maximum PD. Number two, if one component goes off, the other keeps working. Goes off, the other keeps working. Am I clear?
Yes.
This is a very big advantage because we see in Cambridge, we have seen the question of this type with 2 marks, that what are the state the advantages of using parallel circuits. In our daily life, normally we are using the parallel circuits. Because each bulb, each tube light, each fan is working with a different switch, right or not?
Yes.
Good. So you may take a picture of this and